Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Asịrị m unu ka ọ dịrị anyị na mma. Asị m na ihe adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. Ndị ga-esi na-esonyela ihe a bụ Igbo Media, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ngalaba ozi a dị nnukwu mkpa. Anyị si ka anyị gosi unu gbasara maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community and obodo anụ anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ mbọsị izizi ị na-ezite chanel anyị bụ Igbo Media, gbaa mbọ rinne ka ị sọskraịbụ and share ya ka o rute ndị ọzọ aka. Maka na infọmeshọn anyị na-enye unu bụ ihe unu ga-ama gbasara maka ihe na-eme n'obodo a, anụkwunu mara ka unu si akwado na ya bụ ife bụ ya ka anyị si ka anyị drọpụ ọrụ bifo anyị gosi unu ihe anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Ị ga-esi ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa, ị drọpụrụ anyị alụ gị ife iche gbasara maka ya bụ ife ndị niile ekwu n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Already lending their voice that Biafra should go. It means Biafra have gone already.
Yes, without being told that the handwriting of the wall, you know that Biafra have gone. Spiritually, Biafra have gone. What are waiting for the physical manifestation? Nnamdi Kanu is there paying the price. And somebody said Nigeria Biafra will not go. How Nnamdi Kanu is paying the price? How do you think that Biafra will not go?
But let us look at the role of Samonepa in restoring Biafra.
Yes, Nnamdi Kanu is paying the price. Samonepa is doing what? Doing the purchasing.
Doing the
Nnamdi Kanu is paying. Samonepa is doing the purchasing, collecting it. What is paying for? How did he collect it? He be trying to declaring Biafra. The declaration of Biafra, whether court like it or not, no court adjoined the Nnamdi Kanu case 100 times. By the declaration of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu will come out. So God is using Samonepa in favor of Nnamdi Kanu and in favor of Biafrans. If not, we say, let Biafra go. Even, I think, was it the Local Elders Forum or Arawa Group Forum some time ago, this year, told the people, the president of Nigeria, let Biafra go, let them go. Now we can see that it's not now clamoring. Let Biafra go. Let Biafra go. Which we have seen that Biafra, that Biafra is unstoppable. This is why at the initial stage, when someone took the mantle, he said, IPOB Autopilot. IPOB Autopilot, which means what you have taken is unstoppable. What is meant to do is unstoppable by God's grace. This is why he said he will be clear. But I was surprised when I heard that Mr. President's wife, Nnamdi, said Biafra will not go. What not have agreed that Biafra will go? No, not as speaking, Biafra will go. A woman that will not vote, people do not vote for. A woman that has no constitutional rights, saying Biafra will not go. They will go and bundle someone and they bundle Nnamdi Kanu and dump him into detention. Look at it. Did not have known that it's no Biafra right to live. They know, and not attempt to come up with the truth. They couldn't come up with the truth. So this to show you that by God's grace, Biafra is going. Bible said, when a way of a man please God, he makes his enemy to be at peace with him. If you watch, it was not that we need the first war against Biafra. And now it's not that the calling Biafra should go. It's automatically we are going. Forget about what any woman said. So she has the right to say whatever you feel to say. Nobody will persecute her. Nobody will jail her because she has freedom of speech. You can say whatever she wants to say. My father said that if you don't stop a woman not to talk or to say words, then that thing that woman said will never come to reality. Will never manifest. That's it.
Okay, if I may ask Mr. Kokodem, what are those areas, those things you would like Samuel to do to hasten up the restoration of Biafra? I know he's doing some things. What are those other things you would like him to do more?
You will do as God has programmed. You cannot come faster than his shadow.
Was it as a way of advice?
As a way of advice, I have not seen anything that will advance him now. All you should do now and following it is according to God's program. Look at it in the land of Egypt. When God pronounced that send Moses to go and tell Pharaoh to let his people go. And the Bible said 400 years they will serve in Egypt and live. But from the day Moses go, it's 400 years. And the day they leave Egypt, it's another 30 years, maybe 430 years. So, Simon Ekpa, you work as Moses work, you work as Joshua work, you work as Caleb work. But according to what God has programmed, so Simon Ekpa cannot go more than what God has programmed. So he's living with the God's program. We are human beings. We are not divine. Although he might not do mistakes, still we are human beings. We are not divine. When he do mistake, God will correct him because he's a human being. But all I'm saying, I am with him. I support him. Let him go ahead with other real Biafras, other real Biafras that back him up, like Biafra media warriors that didn't need work. Biafra government in Exile, all his cabinet, they didn't need work. They are trying. It is not easy to convince the world to be at their side, but they are trying to do it. Look at all those recent offices, they are opening everywhere, here and there. Here and there. They are trying.
Mr. Lawrence, you are welcome. We are looking at the restoration of sovereign state of Biafra. I was here the other day. I saw a northerner from Plateau State who said Biafra should go. That if they need freedom, they should be given that freedom. Now, I begin to ask, it looks as if it's coinciding with what Ekpa is saying, that is going to declare Biafra on the 2nd of December this year. It means this is good news. Biafra is already having green light to go away from Nigeria.
My brother, Biafra, they already have that green light before Nnamdi Kanu and Kamaneka continue the journey. When Nnamdi Kanu is in the journey of agitation of Biafra, you see that Nnamdi Kanu already captured, let me say, Africans, their mind. Nnamdi Kanu makes the Biafra to more exist than before when Ojukwu fight or when Wazirike is doing agitation of Biafra. Nnamdi Kanu build that green light very, very well. Billions of thousands of countries or hundreds of countries will notice about the country they call Biafrans. Now, when Hausa man or Nigerian man said that allow Biafra to go, my brother, Biafra is supposed to go since 2014. Time of Obasanjo as a president of Nigeria. It's because of the tribalism and the brutal they tried by all means to hold Biafra down. They don't want to Biafra to go because of what they are getting in Nigeria government. And what they are getting in Nigeria government is what come out from Biafra land.
Exactly what the outside boy said, Mr. Paul.
Okay, yeah. Now, Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria government and the Britain government and the cabal of Fulanis that hold Nnamdi Kanu ransom down now.
Thank God, Samanepan rise up again and still pushing that the same struggle with speed and say that Biafra they will declare Biafra in December 2nd. Now, where I'm going to now, whether they declare Biafra on 2nd or in future, we know that that green light already shows. Biafra will come the day the God sign it. Samanepa can do it, Biafra can come out. I myself have supported Samanepa. Then what I want to tell Samanepa that before you declare Biafra in 2nd of December, you need to have the equipment, the machinery, because the enemies will come. You need to strong. When you want to declare Biafra, it's not for Finland. We come Nigeria, we declare. When we are needing that Biafra, is a Biafra land. That's where we need it. Because we check Nigeria here now. Everybody in Nigeria is suffering. Everybody, from east, west, south, and north. Everybody. And those people can deliver Nigeria to those Biafrans. The whole Africans. Not only Nigeria, the whole Africans. It's only Igbos. Igbos is Niger Deltas, Benin, and Bayelsa and Port Harcourt. They are called Biafrans. You understand me? Now, they declare Biafra on 1st. But what I'm saying that something is not for mouth. You need action. What is the action Samanepa have? We convince many people that Biafra will achieve on 2nd of December 2024. My brother, there's a signal we see. We believe this kind of thing will happen. But I know that the Biafra must come the right day. God wants it.
But are you seeing those signals now?
I've seen some signal that Biafra will come.
Like what? One or two signals you are seeing? Can you tell us?
Now, let's look Nigerian economy now. I remember when Nnamdi Kanu said that Nigeria to prepare visa of what do you call this country? There's one African country.
Rwanda?
No, it's not Rwanda. Somalia.
Somalia.
Yeah. He said Nigeria to prepare visa for Somalia. Time is coming that Somalia is better than Nigeria. Look at Nigeria now. Nothing is going on, going good. Now, last night, one of my neighbors went to go and buy gare. That's a small cup of tin tomatoes. It's 700 naira. That cannot benefit 2 persons. If you can eat very good, you cannot benefit 1 person. Now you are buying 700 naira. Something of before 18 naira. Time of Jonathan 18 naira, 17 naira. Now is 700 naira. See where Nigeria is going. Look at Nigeria currency economy. Dollar. How much is dollar now? Dollar is 1,000 plus. It's showing that green light is coming out. The Nigerian government, judiciary, nothing is going on. We show that green light is coming fastly, that Biafra will come the right day.
So, finally, what is your piece of advice to Biafrans, even Samanepa himself?
What is the advice I will give Biafrans and Samanepa? I respect Samanepa. Let him still hold what he's holding. He's trying. He's pushing the team very well. And Biafrans, let me go to P2B. Now come out the campaign of 2023 presidential election. If P2B can have this advice, let's P2B keep this strength to use it and pursue the future of Biafra, the future of Africa, the future of the indigenous of the whole Nigerians. Because when Biafra come, challenges will come different states and different countries. When Biafra come, you see that Biafra is moving well. Nigeria country too, or Oduduwa or Ari, all of them will say, see those people just come out yesterday, see how their people they are doing well. You see challenges will come, Africa will change. The way we are traveling, Europe, Canada, London, South Africa, everything will stop because the citizen will be very, very okay. At least when the common man can see a square meal eat. Nigeria now cannot say square meal. No Nigeria person, 75% of Nigeria can make $1 a day. As current Nigeria now, 75% of Nigeria cannot make $1. I didn't call $2. $1 a day. $1 is 1,000 plus now for Nigerian money. Millions of Nigeria cannot make it. The people that make, we can make the 30%, 20% Indian, they can make $1, $2, $4 a day. The remaining 5%, that is the politician. That is where they hijack all the whole Nigerian economy as personal business. What I give Biafran indigenous advice, let's all of us go back and follow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Samanepa. Thank you.
I must say a very big thank you for your time. Thank you very much. As a way of rounding up, Mr. Okpara, what is your last word for Biafrans and for Nnamdi Kanu himself, even Elijah Mako, and even Samanepa?
My word to them, they should not look at because Hayana was crying in the night. They take their fowl inside the house and throw out without seeing the Hayana. That's what I'm trying to tell them. Let people fighting for Biafra, stalking by Biafra, be focused and get what Biafrans need. At least 98% of Biafrans were crying for Biafra to be. They should forget whatever people do, the borehole is digging with the north, whatever Hamas is doing, whatever declaration they are doing, they should forget it. Let us focus on our restoration of our Biafra. And God will help every one of us. We will restore, God will restore Biafra for us. In the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. I am Mr. Okpara. In this Republic of Biafra, leave Amazon Nnamdi Kanu and he's at the old government of Biafra. Long live Republic of Biafra. Long live Republic of Oduduwa and is their leader, Son Igbohu. Long live for Republic of Arewa and whosoever will be their leader tomorrow. May God Almighty bless all our fans. All our fans. Long live all our fans. Long live Finland and people of Finland. God will bless you, all of you, for regular security for someone.
What about Lionel? Ibablo Senate President, Ibablo Vice President, nothing. And the new Muyindi na Megasquano, Umuna is so going to go for Mba. Mako Kive, they make it as Adrozi Asimo getting a messy or the Carlo. Aratos the email. Negodin Kobodo City. Came a one night woke up Mazin and the Canon and Boro. Akumakandi Igbo. Can you Joe Miller? Macosin and Igbo Gadi, Macos Nagadi Cage, nature that guagu. What you also jiji there? Joe Gaudra. Guinea Gage the Mazin and the Cano. Akumakos in Igbo Yadi. Because the give up today if I bow, Igbo media, I know snow no buy, or no buy Kainasu. So because Beneda and Igbo, Iwe one again, or no buy Kaijako your name ever. Kago kwa ni aine ku before une okuniwe ka ife onye ndu melu o si ni ya na mbombe ndị Igbo na-abịa na alụ ọ na-ewute ya Simon Ekpapinia aya bobo ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya they will never give you that president that seat akwụdoro na ya no Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya gịnị ka si ya bụ mba Igbo mana na ife maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọ ka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ị kpọrọ onwe gị mitin, chịkọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a jụọ onwe ya, na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya. Ọgwụna ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe a bụ Igbo Media. Daalụ n'ụmụnne.